and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Lucky Farmhouse names Roy NAIK in statement to CBI in 2010. Confirms Roy, son of former Home Minister RAVI NAIK, was involved in nexus. CBI, crime branch and police kept the statement in hiding. A Prudent exclusive. Congress state president and opposition leader to be changed. Sources from Delhi confirm that Rahul Gandhi left Goa in an upset mood, proposes major changes in the party. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says he will teach a lesson to the Maharashtra government if they block Tilari water. Blames NCP Congress for politicizing Tilari water dispute. CM says inland water transportation could be a revenue generator for Goa. Captain of Ports completes 100 years. Jokia branches comes to the party as Dempo Sports Club return to winning ways. Pailan go down with a fight. And Myron Mendes, Clint Mendes and Aldrich Coelho can now dream big. Salgonka Juniors trio selected for trial at AST Cape Town. Now the news in detail. Lucky Farmhouse has revealed that the man whom Atala referred to as boss was none other than Roy RAVI NAIK, son of former Home Minister RAVI NAIK. Lucky, in her statement to the CBI, has said that Roy NAIK used to personally deliver drugs to Atala and collect money from him at Anjuna. Lucky Farmhouse had given this statement in 2010, but the crime branch of Goa, CBI and the police preferred to keep Lucky Farmhouse's statement under carpet. More shockingly, they even kept the document away from the assembly reply. Prudent has exclusively accessed Lucky Farmhouse's statement. A shocking report.
Lucky Farmhouse statement to Interpol in Swedish, translated in English by CBI, was lying with the investigation agencies for the past 2 years. Lucky has clearly named Roy NAIK, son of former Home Minister RAVI NAIK. She has said that Roy used to trade drugs with Atala and he was Home Minister RAVI NAIK's son.
Clear बरेल्ले आसा प्रमोद तू जर पळयत जाल्यार ते म्हणटा तेने मोरेवर द वन हू वॉज कॉल्ड बॉस म्हणजे अटाला ज्या मनशाक बॉस म्हणटालो ही वॉज व्हेरी यंग and Lucky did not think that he was a police officer. She thought that they were people who were around robbing foreigners. So तेजे फुडे ताणे म्हटला when asked by Interpol the name of this so called boss, she answers that is Roy NAIK, who is son of this home whatever minister he is, the person that Atala refers to as a boss. पुढे ती म्हणता when asked whose son he was, Lucky answers that he was son of Home Minister RAVI NAIK. Then Interpol asks them about Home Minister when it was the Minister of Internal Affairs that she was referring to. And basically हातून दुबाव घेवपाची कांयच गरज ना कारण हो स्टेटमेंट हांगच्यान कोणी वचून घेवना.
रॉय रवी नाईक तेन्नाच्या होम मिनिस्टराचो पूत हे लकीन आपल्या स्टेटमेंटा भितर 2010 सांगिल्लें आनी 2 वर्सां जालीं तरी ताचेर ना क्रायम ब्रांचीन कितें केलें ना सीबीआयन कितें केलें. ही गजाल हातूंतल्यान सिद्ध जाता, सारकी सिद्ध जाता. ताणें फुडें म्हटलां की लकी आन्सर्स दॅट शी गॉट टू नो अबाउट इट बिकॉज शी सॉ रवी नाईक father on TV. She thought that they were resembled one each other and it was then she got to know that they were related. असो खंय संदर्भ मेळटा त्या पुराय स्टेटमेंटा भितर जंय रॉय आनी अटालाक लकीन बरोबर कितें डिलिंग करतना पळयिल्लें. हय तातूंत एक दोन स्टेटमेंट्स आसा. Lucky says that she has seen him hand over money on several occasions. She has mentioned he was
he said that he has been made scapegoat, but it is not true that he was made a scapegoat, but it was a boss and it was NAIK who was dealing with Atala.
ह्या पुराय नेक्ससा भितर रॉय नायकाचो रोल तुका कितें दिसता जेन्ना तूं ह्या पुराय स्टेटमेंट वाचता?
One is that if we believe this statement, actually we have no right to cast aspersion on anyone. Whatever we are going by is what Lucky has said in the statement. This statement, it makes very clear that Roy Naik was personally going and collecting the money. Okay, he was getting protection money.
दोन्ही इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन एजन्सीज क्राइम ब्रांच आणि सीबीआय ह्यो दोन्ही इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन एजन्सीज रॉय नायकाक प्रोटेक्ट करताल्यो काय कितें?
Detail expose झाला.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
State Congress is in a disjointed position, and this fact has not escaped Rahul Gandhi's observation during his Goa visit. Sources have claimed that Rahul Gandhi is in a process of changing the opposition leader along with GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar. Rahul Gandhi was flooded with complaints on the functioning of Congress party in the state by its own leaders.
It took a few sessions for Rahul Gandhi to realize the present chaotic and disjointed position of Congress party in the state. Most of the Congress leaders had nothing good to say about each other in front of Rahul Gandhi. They also demanded a change in the state leadership and have also suggested few changes. The changes are as follows: GPCC president to be changed, opposition leader to be changed, many changes in party organization. Leaders also demanded to replace Sudhakar Reddy and Jagmeet Singh Brar from the post of desk in charge of Goa. Party leaders have lost the trust and confidence in them. Leaders complained that both Goa desk in charge visit Goa, stay in 5-star hotels and go back. Rahul Gandhi was disappointed to see that all strings of state Congress party were discarded. Rahul Gandhi has taken a firm stand on ticket allotment. Preference to party karyakartas. Ticket for sitting MLA only if his winning margin is intact. Party not to succumb to family raj or pressure groups. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.